Today's story, The Saggy Baggy Elephant. Suki was a happy and carefree little elephant who lived alone in the jungle. Every day he danced cheerfully by himself. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Then one day, a saucy parrot laughed at Suki's saggy baggy skin. This made Suki very sad. "What can I do about all these wrinkles?" he asked. "Try exercise," said a beautiful sleek tiger. But exercise didn't help a bit. "Try soaking in water," said the parrot. "Maybe your skin will shrink." But a great big crocodile snapped at Suki and chased him from the water. "I'll hide in a dark place where my bags and sags and creases and wrinkles won't show," Suki told himself sadly, and he slipped into a cave. Suddenly, the loud roar of a hungry lion shook the jungle. "I'm so hungry I could eat an elephant," cried the lion, and he headed right for the cave. Suki was so frightened he couldn't move. He let out one great trumpeting bellow. To his surprise, a whole herd of huge, gray, wrinkled elephants appeared and frightened the lion away. They gathered around Suki and smiled at him. "What a beautiful little elephant," they all agreed. Suki was so happy that he began to dance. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Through the jungle. And all those big, friendly, wrinkled elephants danced behind him. The end.